So here you can see that like this poster has just like a 2D image, and you can't see anything else other than just pictures over it, concept and anything. Now if I go here, see, nothing happens. But once I use it with another app, like the app which I've built it, so now you see this. So if you just go a bit here, like now you can see, so this video is playing now. I have to project it so the video can run properly. So this is the lag, the bug I have to fix for a moment, but I will show you another one so you will get an idea. So now we are on the second post. So you can also see like this poster is just an image and nothing special. You could tell out of it like it's just normal. And then now I'm pointing camera here, nothing happens. And the most important stuff, where are you wandsee? If I I project my camera over here, nothing happens. But once if I use this app, this VR app, so now see, now you can see this blue 3D model emerges. Like see, if I project it like this, so this 3D lake appears on the poster as well. And if I post it like here, Hamburg, like what activities are here in this map, so this will pop up another video. It's not good enough now. The focus is not good. So now you can see like, so there is one lag, like if you downloaded the app in the tablet, so the resolution had some issues in it, but somehow if you use another resolution, so you can see here is the microorganism, which is I think very most important part to understand it for the people, like for the pupil especially. So here are the mills and these sort of stuff. So this is all about like putting VR into practice. That's it. If you just project it on the pictures where it has recognition, face recognition, then it will be changed with the picture behind or the material behind, like a 3D model or anything. So on the second poster, like here, this part is all built on 3D on BIM. You can see this, like again, and now you can see the project if I project the picture. So the whole idea is about to just put VR into our practice and for the landscape architect as well. Thank you.